everybody, welcome back to the greenhouse. Today we're going to be talking about growing hot peppers. We have done a lot of trial and error in the past seasons to get success growing hot peppers. They can be difficult to germinate, they can be difficult to grow. And when I say hot pepper, I'm not talking jalapeno, I'm talking on the high end of things. So the three varieties we're growing this year are a mix of Ghost and Reaper seeds that we saved from last season. So on the Scoville scale, if you're familiar with that, Reaper peppers are 1.6 million to 2.2 million. Ghost peppers are 855,000 to 1 million. And then two new varieties we're growing this year, Fruity Volcano, which come in at 100,000 to 135,000. and Fatalii, and those come in at 125,000 to 400,000 on the Scoville scale. If you're not familiar with the Scoville scale, to give you some reference, it's just a scale that measures how hot peppers are. And we won't get into the details of how it's measured, but anyway, as some reference, jalapeno peppers come in at 2,500 to 8,000 Scoville. So when I say hot peppers, these are the outrageously hot peppers we're talking about. So we're just going to give you some advice in today's video just on germination and planting, and then we'll do another video later in the season on maintaining your seedlings. So come along with us as we go through these first few steps. The first step is to soak your seeds overnight. So get yourself a glass of water, dump your seeds into the glass of water, and to make sure that they will break the surface tension and sink overnight, you just want to give them a quick stir so that they'll hydrate properly and sink to the bottom of the glass by morning. Remember to label your glasses, and by morning your seeds will have sunk into the bottom and be nice and hydrated. Take your seeds that you've soaked overnight and get the water out. So we dump them onto a dry paper towel and let the water drain out. While that's draining, you can get a little piece of paper towel and soak it in some water, and then squeeze out any excess water just so that paper towel is nice and damp. Then you're going to flatten that piece of paper towel back out and put it down next to where you've got your seeds. And make sure that you've got all the water out of the seeds because you want them to be as dry as possible. It'll just make it easier for handling your seed. Once you've got most of the water out of there, you can just take that and flip it over onto your prepared paper towel. We just dump it over and tap it out, and then take some time to spread them out so that they're in a single layer on the paper towel. If you want, you could take them one by one and lay them out, but that takes a lot of time, so we just kind of go through and spread them into one even layer so that there's no seeds stacked on top of each other. These seeds were particularly clumpy because these are the Ghost and Reaper seeds that we saved ourselves, so there's a little bit of actual pepper debris in there, but if you're using a seed pack, they shouldn't be clumped up like this. They should just separate nice and simple. The reason we're germinating these on a paper towel in a bag and not putting them into the soil is that if you put them in soil, hot peppers tend to take a really long time, like over 21 days to germinate, and they tend to get moldy or rot. So we found this speeds up germination and really cuts down on any of that rotting, and we just get a much better germination rate. Once you've got them spread into a single layer, you want to tuck them into a plastic bag. Once they're in there, you want to turn the bag over so that the paper towel's on top, and this is so that when the roots start to grow, they don't grow into the paper towel and make it hard to get out after. If the paper towel's underneath, the roots will grow down and get stuck, so make sure the paper towel is on top and the seeds are underneath. And put this in a warm, dark place, warm being over 25 degrees Celsius, until the seeds start to germinate. For us, this took 7 days this time. After about 7 days, you'll open the bag and you'll start to see little roots sprouting out of your seeds. They just look like the very beginning of little white roots, and this is the point where they're ready to get potted into soil, planted into soil, so that they can start growing in there. The next step is to take a 6-cell seed pack that's filled with some pre-moistened soil, and just take your seeds and place one per cell in the center of each cell. We usually find that you'll get some variation even within a pack of germination, how long it takes, and so you can open this once every couple days and up pot however many have germinated, and that's what we do. We just open the bag, plant as many of these as are ready, and then we seal it up and wait for another round of them to germinate. There can be variation within one pack, so it can take up to 7 days after the first seeds germinate for the rest of the pack to sprout. Once you've got a seed in each cell, you can cover it over with between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch of more pre-moistened potting soil, just so that they've got a nice coverage over top. Once you've got that in there, you want to make sure that you pat it down a little bit so that you've got good contact between the seed and the soil itself. You don't want air pockets in your soil, or your seeds will have a hard time getting what they need and growing properly. Once you've got your pack planted, you can place it into a tray, put a lid over it so that the humidity stays in there. Put it on top of a heat mat so it's warm. Don't skip the heat mat. This is really important to your hot peppers growing well. In a few days, your peppers will start to sprout above the surface. At this point, we take off the humidity dome to cut down on mold and make sure the soil isn't staying too wet too long, because hot peppers don't like wet feet. That's it for this video. We'll do an update in a few weeks about how we grow the seedlings, so stay tuned and we'll see you next time.